Um, so what I needed to talk to you guys about is that my dog that I was talking about, like, we had to take her to the vet and everything yesterday, well, actually, like, today at 1 o'clock in the morning. Yo, what is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Chase Jobson, and if you guys would please hit that subscribe button. You guys should already be subscribed to stay in touch with the videos, you guys. Well, anyways, today, guys, I'm doing something a lot different. It's a much different video than I've ever made, and I'm going to be having an airsoft war with three of my friends. So there's 4 of us, so it's going to be a 2v2. And yeah, I'm gonna have the GoPro on, and hopefully I can get some good clips, I guess. But yeah, that's basically all I'm doing today, and it's already like 4, so it's gonna get dark soon. So guys, we're gonna get going right now, and I'll catch you guys out in the field. Camping? You guys ready? Yeah. I'm good. We're starting right here. What are we doing? And you cannot shoot at each other. Go! I've been out here.
Yeah, yeah, let's go. I ain't the first with the curse, with the thirst that I wanna be better, not worse, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man.
Alright guys, so right now we just went to Taco Bell. We're about to go to Walmart and Dunham's right now with the guys. There's one of them. Little Dakota. This boy. But, and Mark. There we go. On the vlog.
Whoa!
Yeah, there we go. So we're going to Dunham's right now, and then to Walmart, so see you guys then. So we're at Walmart right now, you guys. I have something to talk to you guys about a little later. I'll talk to you guys about it at Mark's house, because I'm gonna probably stay the night there again. But we're just looking around at Walmart. Looking at some stuff, probably some airsoft guns, because we're still looking. Suck. That's bad.
Easy gookers.
I don't even think they have airsoft guns here anymore. Boy. Alright you guys, so right now I have to be kind of quiet. I'm in Mark's basement right now. So what I needed to talk to you guys about is that my dog that I was talking about, like we had to take her to the vet and everything. Yesterday, well actually like today at 1 o'clock in the morning, my parents texted me and my sister texted me. She was all upset because we had to put my dog down because we do not know what was wrong with her, and she was just going through a lot of pain and she was eventually going to die anyways, you know, so we had to take her down. So that's probably the thumbnail for this. I mean, I'm really upset about it, but you know, I've had a lot of dogs, but this one was really special to our family, and I can tell my parents are already upset about it. But I just wanted to let you guys know that, because Daisy will not be in my vlogs anymore, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, I mean, maybe next animal is a cat, right? I don't know. I do want a dog, but I don't know if my parents would let me get one right now because of what just happened. So I'm probably gonna have to talk to them about that, but it might be too soon to actually get a dog. But yeah guys, so this is gonna be the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button if you guys are not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm so happy.